Hello, Baker Economics students. We are now in week 2 and halftime of the Chiefs game, and the Chiefs are definitely not maximizing their utility, as we would say in economics. Utility is a level of happiness. But I want to give you a kind of overview this week. You're going to have a continuation of supply and demand analysis. You'll have with price floors, price ceilings. You think of a price ceiling, it says that they cannot go above that price, or price floor, for example, minimum wage cannot go below a certain price. And you look at different scenarios where perhaps, by having a price floor, the market may not be in equilibrium or allowed to be in equilibrium, and also with the price ceiling. So it's an example where the government interferes in a market, but also, although it has good intentions, doesn't get to a very good desired result. You're also going to have the chapter with elasticity demand. Read that slowly. It's a little bit of technical reading. Essentially, as a manager, I want to understand that if I change my price, what's going to be the response by the consumer. So something like gasoline is very price inelastic. So if it does go up to $4 a gallon for the year, we're still going to drive the same amount. So gasoline is very inelastic. But if there's a lot of substitute goods, price is very elastic. So if you know that your demand is inelastic, it would behoove you to increase your prices to increase revenues. But if it's elastic, you probably want to do the opposite, try to decrease the price to increase your overall revenues. Finally, in chapter 8, you're going to deal with taxation and who bears the burden of that tax. I put an example out there too to help you with the chapter 5 appendix, and they show some examples with taxes. Read through that slowly, but basically you're doing algebra. You're setting two equations equal to each other to find the price and quantity. But to wrap things up for this week, I have a brief forum discussion, which discuss the recent events with the Chinese imposing some additional tariffs with our chicken we're exporting to them. Give your opinion. You also have your second paper due, and then we also have the homework due. So other than that, have a great week, and do email if you have any questions, but take care.